So to make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, you're gonna need these three things. So number one, you're gonna need a killer affiliate product to promote, a product that actually gets someone results, and a product that can actually help people. Number two, you're gonna need an automated system or a funnel to do all the selling and telling for you. Again, in order to make that $10,000 a month, you don't wanna be selling one-on-one. You want this automated system to do everything for you. And number three, you're gonna need traffic and customers constantly going through your automated system so you can generate income with affiliate marketing. Now, throughout this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can clone this entire system and all three steps as your own. But the most important part is I'm gonna show you how you can start making money as fast as humanly possible with this system. Now, for those who don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan Montoya, 7-figure affiliate marketer, and I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job in March of 2020 after 9 months of starting my affiliate business. Now, I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars with multiple affiliate programs that still pay me every single month. And if you know how to set up an affiliate marketing business the correct way, you don't have to always worry about getting new customers. You can set up this business once and have these affiliate companies pay you every single month. And that's what I'm going to show you today on how to make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. Let's get into it. So the number one thing you're going to need to make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing is you're going to need a killer product that actually gets people results. Now I want to show you a few products that I promote here. This is the ClickFunnels affiliate program. As you can see, I've done $131,000 just with this program here. Now here's the System.io affiliate program. As you can see, almost $18,000 here. This is the Kartra affiliate program here, almost $60,000 here. And then of course we got the Get Response affiliate program, almost $30,000 here. Now you'll notice that I do promote multiple programs. I actually promote almost 40 plus different affiliate programs that pay me every single month. And I know I said you need to pick one killer product to build your affiliate business around. And that's absolutely true. But what you need to understand is all these software affiliate products that I mentioned, those are all products that pay me every single month based on my main core product. Let me explain. Okay, so this is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. This is a framework that I developed to help hundreds of my students quit their 9-to-5 job and make money online. Now, let me explain this as easily as I can. That way you can understand how I'm able to promote multiple products. Now, in the beginning of this video, I did say you have to have one killer product, and that's absolutely true. And this is what I call your main core offer, okay? So this is this product right here. And that's what I want to help you figure out. What's going to be your main core offer? But then after you start promoting your main core offer, you're then going to have your supporting offers that support this offer, okay? So what I mean by that is if you have your main core product, let's just say it's a product that helps people lose weight, right? Maybe it's a course that helps people lose weight. Now, your supporting offers are going to be things like maybe a meal prep affiliate program, or maybe it could be like supplements, right? You can be an affiliate for these supplements. It's all these things that help the main core offer. You don't want to just be promoting a bunch of random things. The supporting offer helps your customers get a result. So when I say you need to have a killer offer, I'm talking about the main core offer here. Now, to find this main core offer, there's several places that you can go to find them. You can go to clickbank.com, you could go to Digistore24, and you could find a program that you believe in, and more importantly, that can help your customers and clients get the results that they're looking for. Now, I have a ton of videos showing you how you can go find a product on ClickBank, but in this video, I just want to show you the products that I recommend that you can promote as your main core offer. Now, I have a few suggestions for you, but the first product that I recommend is a Legendary Marketer. This is an incredible program that helps people start a digital marketing business. Now, the cool thing about Legendary Marketer is they have this $7 15-day challenge, which costs $7 to start, but then they have multiple products on the back end, high ticket products. So for example, they have a $2,500 upsell, and if people go ahead and buy that higher ticket product, you're gonna get a commission on the back end. Okay, so the second product that I recommend as your main core product is the Freedom Accelerator affiliate program. Now, this is my personal affiliate program that helps people leave their 9-to-5 job and build an online affiliate marketing business from complete scratch. Now, the cool thing about this challenge, right? So if people go to this challenge, they can go through the 3 days. I give them a ton of resources. I give them a ton of training. More importantly, once I show them how to build out this system, there's also an upsell that includes coaching as well. So not only are people getting a step-by-step program, they're also getting a coach every single week that people could hop on a call with and get results with. Again, you want to find a program that not only makes you money as an affiliate, but also helps your customer get a result. So the two programs that I recommend starting with is either Legendary Marketer or the Freedom Accelerator affiliate program. I'll have a link to those down below, but that's the first thing you need to make $10,000 a month is you need a killer product. So whether you go find a product on ClickBank or Digistore, or you take my recommendations, you need to find a product that you believe in and that you know can help your customer get a result. Now, going back to this diagram, now that we found our main core offer, I'm going to show you how you can start promoting multiple offers. And that leads me to the second thing you're going to need to make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. So number two, you're going to need an automated system or an automated funnel that does all the selling and telling for you. More importantly, what this system allows you to do is it allows you to build an email list. That way you can then promote multiple products. Now, let me show you exactly the system that I'm using and how you can clone this exact same process and system as your own. Now, this is the funnel and the system that I'm using. More importantly, I want to walk you through how this works. So if we go back to our diagram, remember we found our main core offer. Now, before that, remember we have to have this system, right? So this whole thing here, it may look complicated, but it's gonna make sense in just a little bit, okay? So what this is we'll call this page number one. This is your opt-in page, okay? So when people go to this page right here, again, we'll call this number one. This is where you can give out a free course or a free lead magnet in exchange for someone's email. So for example, what I'm doing here is I'm giving away this free course, and what I want is I want this email address, right? I want people to give me their email. So what happens is once someone clicks this button, it's gonna ask for an email, and then that email then goes into my email database, okay? So as an example, again, this is number one. When someone enters their email, it then goes to this database. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is where you can start making a ton of money, because what happens is you can create this automated email sequence, which then gets people to buy, offer number one, and then offer number two, and then offer number three, right? It just goes on. And that's how we build a passive affiliate business, is by creating this system. Now, don't worry, I'm gonna allow you to literally copy and paste this with a click of a button, but I just want you to understand how this works, okay? So you need to have that automated system. Now, more specifically, what I do is I give out this free course, and this is where it becomes extremely powerful, okay? So what I'm doing is I give them this free course, again, 100% free. I don't even ask for a credit card in exchange for their email. And once I give them the free course, it looks like this, okay? This is the cool part. So with the free course, it's literally a step-by-step course teaching somebody, how to start making money online with affiliate marketing. As you can see, there's workbooks in here. This entire thing is something I give for free. Now, more importantly for you, I allow you to give out this course as your own. Let me show you what I mean. So what's cool here is this course, yes, I'm teaching it, but what I allow you to do is you are making an intro to me, right? So that way you get the credit as an affiliate, and that way people can know, like, and trust you, okay? So as you can see here, what I do is once I let you clone this system, right? I basically give you this script. You know, you make a 10-20 second video saying, hey, you know, my name is whatever your name is, John, and I want to introduce you to Jonathan Montoya, who's going to teach you this course. Okay, that's basically all you have to say. And then of course I then say, hey, thank you so much, John, for introducing me, and I can't wait to teach this course on your behalf. Okay, so this is super cool because what I've done is I've created this that way you can white label it and clone it as your own. Okay, now more importantly, you can go inside of this free course and you can change out all these links. Okay, so like ClickFunnels and Get Response, System.io. Okay, all these programs, I allow you to use your own link. Okay, Legendary Marketer, the 72-hour challenge, and I show you exactly how to do that within the course. Now, if you're interested in cloning this exact course and the exact funnel that gives away the course, then I want you to comment clone down below in the comments. More importantly, if you want access right away, the first link in the YouTube description will give you access to my 72-hour challenge, which will then show you how to set up this funnel, this system, and this free course as your own. So if you are interested in cloning this process, that's going to be the first link in the YouTube description. Now, the third and final thing that you're going to need to make $10,000 a month with your affiliate marketing business is you're going to need a consistent flow of traffic, aka customers. Okay, so how do we actually get customers or people to your funnel or your automated system so you can start earning commissions? So the first thing you guys need to understand is what the heck are you promoting, right? Most people have no idea the product or the benefits of what they're promoting. So that's the first thing you need to understand, right? Go through the program that you're promoting. Again, that's your main core offer. You should know exactly who it helps, and more importantly, you should know the benefits and the results that that program can help them with. Now, for starters, you can look at the funnel, right? You can look at the funnel itself and see the benefits that it offers, right? So if we look at this right here, it says how anyone can launch the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated online business without having tech skills, a following, or products or experience, right? So if we really dive deep into what this product is offering, then we could go ahead and create content, which I'll get into in just a little bit. But first, you need to understand what you're promoting, right? So again, it says, you know, say goodbye to your 9-to-5 job, create a monthly income, build a life of complete time, location, and financial freedom. So when we look at the funnel, when we look at the product, we can start figuring out who this is for, right? So if we just look at that page, we can see, okay, this is for people that are sick and tired of their 9-to-5 job. They want to build a business from home. They want to be able to have that location and time freedom, pay off debt, whatever it is that they're looking to do, right? So once you understand who this product is for, you can very easily start creating content that gets people to take action. Most people never understand the concept of that, right? What most people end up doing is they go to TikTok or YouTube. They just create videos on the product, okay? People don't care about the product, guys. So for example, if you're promoting like Legendary Marketer, what a lot of people will do is just go create videos saying, hey, there's this new product called Legendary Marketer. Go click on the link in the bio. That doesn't work, okay? People don't care about the product. They care about what the product can do for them, okay? So what you want to start doing is creating content that speaks to people's pains and it speaks to their pleasures, right? So a pain could be like, you know, hey, are you sick and tired of your 9-to-5 job, of traveling, you know, 2 hours every single day, not being able to take your kids to the park on a Monday, you know, afternoon, right? You say all these things of the pains that people are going through, right? These are things that people can actually resonate with. And then of course, the product becomes the solution, okay? So that's when you're like, So by the way, if you're interested in making money online and working from home and firing your boss, I have this free course for you, okay? And that's when you can get people to this free automated system, right? This system that allowed you to clone, okay? So that's the first thing you need to understand, is you need to understand who you're making this for. Now, to get more tactical, if we go to something like Instagram or TikTok or even YouTube, you could type in something like make money from home, side hustles, digital marketing. And what you want to do is you want to see what people are doing, right? So for example, if I type make money from home, I can see all these people creating content, right? Let's take Caroline Hane for example, okay? She's done over $1 million with affiliate products. So this is a great example. If we go to her profile, we can see the type of content she's making. Now, the cool thing is a lot of her content is, she doesn't even have to show her face or talk. All she's doing is sometimes just showing text, as you can see right here. So what you can do is you could create this very simple content, but what you want to do is once you create this content, you want to get people to your system or to your funnel, right? So if I go to her profile, what she's trying to get people to do is she's trying to get people to go to this link right here, okay? Now, again, this link is going to be this link right here, okay? Your number one link. This is your system, right? So again, I'm giving you a free course to give out as your own, and that's where people go and land, right? So think of it like this, right? You're creating this video on Instagram, and then you're saying, hey, go to the link in my bio, and you're sending them to this link right here, okay? And then after that happens, they then go through this entire system, which of course I show you how to set up inside of my challenge. I'll leave again that link down in the YouTube description. But again, guys, that's the goal of this, okay? Is you want to get people to your funnel and to your automated system, okay? Now the cool thing is you can simply model what these people are doing, right? Caroline is an amazing content creator, but a lot of her content is sometimes she's not even showing her face, okay, which is super cool. So you can go and model a lot of these videos, not only from Caroline, but other creators that are in a similar niche as well. Now, I do have another complete training showing you how to get traffic for free, and you can go find that on my YouTube channel. It's this video right here, and that video will show you 5 ways to get traffic for your affiliate products if you want additional training. Now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this was of value. Let me know down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.